everyone, I am Minaxi. Today, I would like to share a simple automation that has helped me save time and improve efficiency while communicating with customers on WhatsApp. Earlier, whenever I needed to send common messages such as product details, follow-up messages, introduction messages, or customer responses, I used to either copy the content from an Excel template or type the message manually. This process was time-consuming and repetitive. To solve this, I started using the quick reply feature in WhatsApp. We have created and saved frequently used message templates in WhatsApp. Now, whenever I need to send a message, I simply type /A and select the required template from the list. The message is inserted instantly, and I can send it within seconds without searching for templates or typing the same content repeatedly. This small improvement has reduced manual effort, improved response time, and helped maintain consistency in customer communication. Sometimes, simple automations like these can make a big difference in our daily productivity. Thank you.